You are looking at a 5,000-pound hybrid family car, but flip one switch and this 639 horsepower monster becomes a tire-shredding drift missile. And that weird textured pattern covering the bodywork? It costs more than a used car. Let's be brutally honest. When you hear the words plug-in hybrid, you probably think of a boring commuter car crawling in the HOV lane. You definitely don't think of a German super sedan built to humiliate supercars on a tight mountain road. But Audi just flipped the script. This is the 2026 Audi RS5. It officially replaces the legendary RS4, and it is easily the most controversial car an Audi Sport has built in a decade. Why? Because it weighs a massive 5,100 pounds. I know, that sounds like an absolute disaster for a track car, but later in this video, I'll explain the black magic Audi engineered into the rear axle to make this heavy beast drift better than a rear-wheel drive muscle car. First, we need to talk about the rarest and most expensive box you can check on the 2026 order guide, the Matt Carbon Camouflage Package. Standard carbon fiber is everywhere these days. It's honestly played out. You see the traditional woven carbon fiber on everything, from multi-million-dollar hypercars to cheap aftermarket Honda Civics. Audi knew they needed something vastly more exclusive for their new Halo midsize performance car. Enter forged carbon camouflage. Unlike traditional woven carbon fiber, forged carbon is made from chopped carbon fibers compressed under immense pressure with resin. The result is a chaotic, marbled, camouflage-like pattern where no two pieces are exactly the same. It looks raw, aggressive, and highly technical. But acquiring this look is not cheap. To get it, you must first option the $7,000 Audi Sport package. Then you drop an additional $14,000 exclusively for the carbon camouflage styling package. Yes, you are spending over 20 grand just on visual aggression, beefed up bumpers, and a top speed unlock to 177 miles per hour. So what exactly do you get for that massive pile of cash? On the outside, Audi replaces the front fascia wings, the aggressive side sill inserts, the massive rear diffuser, and the exterior mirror housings with this bespoke matte carbon camo. You also get a darkened set of Matrix LED headlights featuring a digital checkered flag light signature. It transforms the RS5 from a sleeper sedan into something that looks like a stealth fighter jet. Step inside and the entire cabin is dominated by matching matte carbon camouflage decorative inlays, perfectly contrasted by deep black Dynamica microfiber and aggressive red stitching. But looking fast is completely useless if the car can't perform. Under the hood, Audi retained their brilliant 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6, but they paired it with a 130 kilowatt electric motor and a 22 kilowatt hour battery. The combined output, a face-melting 639 horsepower and over 600 pound-feet of torque. It will violently launch you from 0 to 60 in just 3.6 seconds. And if you feel like saving the planet on your commute, you can cruise in pure silence for about 50 miles on electric power alone. But remember, that extreme 5,100 pound curb weight I mentioned earlier, here's how Audi completely erased it. They introduced a highly secretive drive mode called RS Torque Rear. It is paired with a brand new transaxle featuring lightning-fast electromechanical torque vectoring. This system can shuffle a staggering 85% of the engine's power directly to the rear wheels in just 15 milliseconds. When you push the car hard into a corner, you expect a heavy all-wheel drive Audi to understeer and push wide. Instead, the computer aggressively over-rotates the rear end, allowing you to maintain massive, smoky, perfectly controlled drifts with almost zero effort. If you want to review your slides, the 14.5-inch OLED touchscreen even features detailed racetrack telemetry and drift accuracy analysis. It completely defies the laws of physics. The 2026 Audi RS5 is a heavy, electrified super sedan that somehow feels like a nimble track toy. And if you spec it with the carbon camouflage package, it becomes one of the most visually stunning vehicles on the road today.